Hi, I'm Kristy, and I'm at the We Are Memory Keepers booth at Creativation, and I'm here to talk about the Happy Jig. So this is our new wire bending tool, and it comes in a kit with 100 pieces. We have 95 pegs, the wire cutters, and it also comes with 3 colors of wire. And also includes an instruction book, which shows you how to use it, and also gives 21 different designs, how much wire you need to make them, and pegs and peg placement. We also have our Instagram account, which has 81 more designs on it as of right now, and we will be continually updating it, and each post shows you how to make the design as well. And I will go ahead and demo how to make hello. So each peg locks in so that while you're bending, it doesn't pop out. And we also have starter pegs, which are the ones with these little slots in them. And you can just kind of insert the wire, and it helps hold it. And then following the instructions or coming up with your own design, you go ahead and bend it. The wire that we provide is a little bit softer so that it's easy to bend and it doesn't break or snap while you're using it, especially for more intricate designs. You can see it's very easy to do. And we have words and we have initials and icons, lots of stuff to choose from. So then once you bend your word, you go ahead and pop it off. And each design has a little extra wire on it to allow for some wiggle room. So you just trim it off. And there you go. You have your word.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!